And always with collage, there is that one rule I follow, and you can follow it too, and you'll see your pieces will improve. Actually, there are two rules. I'm going to tell you about both. But the first one is that we start with bigger pieces and we create clusters and layers, allowing all of them to be seen. But always start with bigger ones. So like this one was bigger, and then I put a smaller one on top. It just creates, you know, some sort of harmony, and it makes it all a little better. And the other rule is, and some of you are not gonna like it, and I myself, I don't like it, but that's the truth. In collage, less is more, usually less is more. So less elements you have, the higher chance that they will have bigger impact, they will be more powerful. If you have a lot, and worst of all, you also aren't really sure how to make some of them into focal points, then it's starting to be a bit of a mess. So today I'm using quite a lot, but not too much. And then we will be also using colors to make some of those elements pop, make them into focal points. So that's also good to remember. Okay, so plainish elements here for outside the face. We're gonna add some color to it in a minute. I'm gonna cut it off, obviously. And now we can use similar elements, same basically, for the hair. You know, like hair can be big, really big. But we won't see much of it because we will cover it with some other elements, but we want to have some bits of it showing just so it looks coherent, obviously, and it tells a story rather than be just some random bits of paper. Well, this is a wallpaper, actually. I really love it. But if it's about wallpaper, sometimes it's very thick, of course, and especially for collage, you might not like it. So I just like to tear that top layer and get rid of the thick bit of paper. Because that's all I need, really. Okay, I have also this paper. I would like to place it right here. Okay, I'm just gonna play with it a bit. Okay, now here's the deal. As you probably noticed, all of those elements that I'm using for the background are in neutral colors, because that allows me to later add any color I like and to make it look tidy, not messy. I mean, this is obviously greenish turquoise something, but I know this is the color I'll be using later on, so I'm allowed to do that. So choose big elements for your background that are in neutral colors, being white, gray, creamish, sepia kind of color, and you will make your life so much easier.